Week. Water Saving Week is an annual online event aiming to raise awareness of the issues around water use. Water is one of the nature's precious gifts to mankind. All living things consist mostly of water. Example, the human body is of two-thirds of water. It is clear, colorless liquid that appears blue when viewed through a thickness of 20 feet. The color reflects not only from physical causes but also from suspended impurities. The freezing point of water is 0 degrees centigrade and its boiling point is 100 degrees centigrade. Water is most essential component of life and is vital for sustenance. The importance of water in our diet is apparent as it helps the body to perform specific metabolic tasks and regulate our body temperature. Moreover, water is unique as its density is similar to that of cell protoplasm. There is no doubt that water is everywhere and it is very important to our earth and the life inhabiting it. Water contains no calories and is a significant factor in losing weight. It is the key component in determining the quality of our lives and is a universal solvent. We should teach our children to turn off faucets tightly after use or just sprinklers to water your lawn. Plant in the fall when conditions are cooler and collect water used for rinsing fruits and vegetables to water house plants. Wash your pets. Outdoor in an area your lawns that needs water and repair leaking pipes. Harvest rainwater. People use up our plants fresh water faster than it can naturally be replenished. So save water for the earth, family and community. Cultural views of water are based on predominant religious views like the Ganges River in Hinduism. Water is known as the elixir of life, so conserve water to save life. Thank you.
Water is one of the most crucial elements that are essential to life. Water is necessary for all living creatures on earth, from tiny insects to large blue whales. All of us need water for survival. Water is very essential for us. We can survive without food for a week, but without water we won't be able to survive for more than 3 days. None of the creatures on earth would be able to survive without water. We all need water for the day-to-day survival. We need water for cooking, bathing and keeping our house clean. We also need water for the plants in our surroundings. In addition, water is also required almost every day in farms. It is necessary for a good harvest in the farms. Water is also used in many industries. It is required at various steps of production on of good. About 70% of the earth's surface is water, and even 70% of human body comprises of water. Although there is abundant water on the earth's surface, 97.5% of water is salty and 2.5% is fresh water. Is salty and 2.5% is fresh water. It is necessity today to save and conserve water. Many villages are facing a big problem of drinking water. Hence, we all must realize this problem and take efforts to save water. We all must use water only in the required quantity and avoid wastage of water. Steps like rainwater harvesting will play a big role in saving water. Taps should be closed properly whenever not in use. Use of drip irrigation system in agriculture will also be helpful in saving water. Without water, life on earth won't exist. We all must save water and thus save life on earth.